Hi everyone, in this video I'll show you all you need to know about the WooCommerce elements in Visual Composer. This can help you to design your own custom store or a specific product page. First things first, you need both Visual Composer and WooCommerce installed to be able to use the compatibility elements. The WooCommerce elements, like all others, are available at the Visual Composer hub. So let's open the hub and search for WooCommerce. And here are all the elements. As you can see, there are elements like add to cart, checkout, order tracking, multiple product elements, and many more. You can download any of these elements by clicking on the download icon here. Now, when the element is downloaded, you can add it to the page by clicking on the plus icon, or just drag it to wherever you want. Now let me show you some of the elements in action. I have a layout here already, but it's in need of some crucial elements. I'm going to add WooCommerce product elements here. I have created a couple of products already, as you can see. All you need to add them to your page is the product ID or just the name of the product. Let's go back to the editor and add the WooCommerce product element. Here it is. So I want to add the orange. And as you can see, it pops up here once I write the title. And now I'll quickly do the same for the other columns. And here's our beautiful product page. Make sure to try the other elements as well when you create your product pages. Thank you all for watching and enjoy!